It's no coincidence that the Apollo 11 astronauts brought guacamole to space. During the last decades, this delicious and nutritious food has quickly grown from being a regional dish to becoming a global delicacy. Since Del Trio's inception, we've been committed to bringing high-quality, fresh, and all-natural guacamole to millions of consumers around the globe. Our mouth-watering recipes have proven to be massively successful across every border we've crossed, and our presentation versatility has allowed us to conquer the retail, food service, and food processing industries. Our recipes range from basic avocado pulp to the most delicious guacamoles, for which we use fresh ingredients like tomatoes, onions, and all sorts of peppers. With a top-notch and fully standardized production line, at Del Trio, we wash and sanitize the fruit to make sure it's clean and ready to process. We ripen the avocados in a controlled environment until they reach their optimal maturity point. We then slice, hand scoop, and mix the ingredients to create our delicious recipes. We package the products in the different presentations we offer and use the latest HPP technology to elongate the product's shelf life. We finally freeze and package the products to be shipped to our clients around the world. By counting with an SQF certification in food safety, an experienced quality assurance team, and the highest quality avocados in the world from Mexico, Del Trio not only has been able to consistently deliver superior taste and texture, but we've been able to guarantee our clients a year-round supply. We will continue our expansion into different markets with the same work ethic and competitive prices that have characterized us since our beginnings. Please feel free to reach out for additional information about our company, our process, and our products. We'd be very happy to work with you.